Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Devon. This is New Touch Auto Dipping, man. Now, while I get into this video, I want to talk about like coordination. I know it's off topic of what I do or whatever, but coordination. Normally when you coordinate, you want things to match, right? Pretty much. You want your outfit to match your shoes. You want your shoes to match your outfit. Pretty much, you want to match, man. Coordination. You know what I'm talking about. You want to see more of this coordination right here? Keep watching this video. Thank you. Alright, YouTube, we got the Dodge Charger back here. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna change it up to a color called Sakhir Red. It's a pearl color. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but Sakhir Red pearls. That's what I'm gonna do. Currently, I got the black going on. Got the red accents on the wheels, so I'm gonna do the wheels as well. So it's gonna be that pearl color everywhere. You're gonna see some black accents here and there, but y'all will be able to see that in the finish. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up, get it prepped, get all my products and everything, materials together, and we go and paint. Y'all stay tuned, stick with me. Alright, y'all, sad to say, man, we down to the end of our video. Next up, we're gonna do this final rundown, let you know exactly what I did to the vehicle. Let's go, check it out, y'all. We got the Sakhir Red, We got it all front to back. We got the black going on. Left that in there, shows off that Dodge symbol, real good. Got the lights tinted. We kept that fog light red. Customer wanted to keep it like that, so the customer's always right. All right, let's swing it on around, y'all. Got the Sakhir Red all the way around. Got the wheels done. We got the black tint, red and black, red and black. Work all the way to the rear. Got the rear lights tinted as well. Man, I told you about that coordination. If it don't coordinate, a lot of people won't rock it. But check this. Hit that subscribe button down there. You want to see more of these videos? Let me know. Let me know what you want to see. If you like it, thumbs up. If you don't, I still want to know. I appreciate y'all watching this video. I thank y'all. Hope to see you on the next one.